Do you want to be a better photographer? Of course you do. Welcome back to yet another episode, everyone. Happy to have you here. Hopefully you guys are doing okay, feeling okay, wherever you're watching this in the world. It's been an exciting journey here, so I'm hoping you're having a really good time. Me, I'm in Florida, so I'm feeling a little Floridian today. Got my Florida shirt on. You know, it's got flowers and palm trees on it, but in true South fashion, no color. Got to stay with the gray tones. We all want to be better photographers, don't we? But many of us lack that alpha trait, right? We all want peace and love and harmony, and why can't we just all get along? Well, you've got to be a little bit competitive. You've got to find that fire, that spirit inside of you. You've got to be able to take your craft, your skill to that next level. So you need a little pressure on you every once in a while to perform. The pressure to perform, in my opinion, is what separates you from the pack. I get it. Some of you may crumble under the pressure, but some of you may actually surprise yourself, and you'll be better for it. For me, I've been competitive since I could walk. Baseball, football, tennis, all at a collegiate level. Now, golf at a tournament level. I love to compete. I love pushing myself. I love challenging myself. I love doing things that I never thought I could do. To that point, I thought to myself, how can we push photographers to find their limits, find their bottoms? Now, I'm not talking about these bottoms. Apple bottoms? Peaches? I don't know. I can't keep up with the emojis, but you get what I'm saying. Find their bottoms, challenge them. We want to push them to their breaking point and see what they're capable of. So with the help of Canon, we created something called the Creator Series, where we brought in 10 photographers from around the world. We gave them 10 minutes each and secret challenges in a battle royale competition. Do you smell what the rock is cooking? A little too far, but you get what I'm saying here. Battle royale competition with one winner taking home over $20,000 in cash and prizes. That's impressive. That's pressure. That's competition. I know what you're thinking. Sal, you sick, twisted, sadistic bastard. Why would you do that to your peer? Well, it's because I love our craft and I want to push photographers and teach them how to grow. Now here's the question. Do you think you're up to that kind of challenge? Try it. Get with your peer group. Give yourselves each 10 minutes, secret challenges. No one knows what it is. You can do things like one light, natural light, gels, right? Using crystals, whatever you want to do. But you challenge each of yourselves, and nobody has prep time for it. Everybody uses the same model, the same makeup, the same wardrobe. See, that's where things get interesting now, because you can't rely on the beauty of the model. You can't rely on the wardrobe or styling. It's up to you and your craft to be creative to win that competition. I want you guys to try it. You push yourselves. Get together with your local group of photographers. Give yourselves a timer. You gotta be timed. You can't be wishy-washy with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey Siri, set timer 10 minutes. Siri's about to do it.
10 minutes, starting now.
Hey Siri, cancel timer.
It's canceled.
Thanks, she listens so well. But you get my point. We gotta set this where we're testing you and your skill and putting that to the test. That's the challenge there. And you'll feel that pressure to perform because you're in your head, that clock is ticking. Now think about working on a wedding day or working sports photography, things like that. You can work under pressure. But now if you do it with your group, first of all, it's a fun competition, right? You could do it for drinks, for dinner, or just for no reason, just to really push and challenge yourselves. How fun would that be in your local photography groups? I want you guys to try it. So I want you to watch the trailer because on August 29th is going to be the first episode. I was blown away with what we accomplished. Let me rephrase. With what the creators accomplished. The pressure was on. I was in their ear, counting down the timer. They had no idea what the challenges were until minutes before the challenge started. That's impressive to be able to perform under that pressure. So watch the trailer. Hopefully you like it. Come on, do something quick. Don't give up on it. Set timer 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Counting down.
Party time. So, do we feel like we have the winning image here?
Yes.
All right,
Absolutely.
let's send it to print. So this competition's already starting off on the wrong foot. We're sitting here in the waiting room, and we just learned that Brody has never seen Star Wars. Who's never seen Star Wars? That's the first problem.
This guy.
Shame.
Poor Shay.
Is that not super cool, guys? So it was absolutely amazing, again, to sit there and watch these creators perform under pressure. And what they created is going to blow you away. How they were able to do that under pressure. And so maybe you're up to the challenge too. I want to see what you guys are producing. Hey, if you're digging this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know which creator you're voting for, who you're supporting. Let's give a hashtag team creator name. Let's see what you guys are thinking. And I hope you watch the episode next week, August 29th. It'll be live. We'll see you there online. Enjoy.